friends, I'm back with another video. In this video I'll show the secret hidden feature of Android. This feature is available in almost all Android. It's a sound detector or sound search. If you don't know the name of the song, or if you want to know the name of the song playing around you, you can easily find it out. But you just have to enable it, and I'll show you how to do that. And you don't need to download any extra apps from Play Store. But before that, friends, I have uploaded 3 giveaway videos. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch it. I'll give the link in description and in comment. So to do that, you have to press 3 to 2 seconds in your home screen. Then go to widget, then search Google. Press the Google and you'll see a music icon. Bring it to the home screen. Now it's done. Now let's test some song. Let me play NCS. Exit. Open. Let me split my screen. See, it's very easy and very simple. Let me try another song. Exit YouTube. Let me pop up my screen. That's it. Very easy, very simple. You don't need to download any extra apps from Play Store. But friends, if this doesn't work, then I have given one link. You just download that app that works same as this feature. So try it. And friends, thank you so much for your support, and please keep supporting us. Keep watching our video. Stay tuned. Take care. See you in my next video. Thank you.